Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel AM Online Education. I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic in accounting. Users of accounting information. As we know, accounting is called an information system because it collects, records and communicates financial information to different users. At the end of this class, you will be able to learn number one, internal and external users of accounting information. Number two, how MCQ question come from this topic. There are two types of users of accounting information. Number one, internal users. Number two, external users. Internal users are those who are directly involved in the organization. Example of internal users. Number one, owners and managers. Owners are the person who invest capital in the business. They want to know whether the business is making profit or loss. Managers run the business on behalf of the owners. They need accounting information for decision making and controlling activities. Number two, employees and workers. Employees and workers work in the organization and receive salary or wage. They are interested in the financial position of the business. Employees and workers use it for salary, bonus and job security. Employees and workers use accounting information to ensure their job security and financial benefit. External users. External users are those who are outside the organization but have interest in the business. Example of external users. Number one, loan providers. Loan providers are banks and financial institutions who give loans to the business. They want to know whether the business can repay the loan or not. Loan providers use accounting information to ensure the safety of their loan. Government. Number two, government. Government use accounting information to collect tax and to regulate the business activities. Government use accounting information for taxation and regulatory purpose. Number three, account payable. Account payable means creditors or suppliers supply goods on credit to the business. They want to know whether the business will be able to pay their due. Creditor use accounting information to know whether the business can pay its liabilities in time. Last, number four, investor. Investors are the person who invest money in the business. They want to know the profitability and growth of the company. Investors use accounting information to decide whether they should invest or not.